Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Ruble Solutions. In this channel, we focus on giving definite information regarding various topics which covers computer related stuff for kids from class 1 to 9, programming languages like C, Java, Python, C++, and many more coming in future. Objective question and answer, moral stories, punch-drunk stories, some culture religious facts, which includes motivational stuff around like Osho quotes, daily positive thoughts, Kabir Dohe, and Mata Rani stories. We really hope you check our playlist section for all the things mentioned above. Today's topic of video is HTML text editors. In the previous video, we got to know about what is HTML and what are the मतलब, जो फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम था वो हमने बनाया था तो प्रैक्टिकली कैसे उसको रन करना है वो किसके थ्रू करते हैं HTML text editor. An HTML file is a text file. So to create an HTML file, we can use any text editor. Text editors are the program which allow editing in written text. Hence, to create a web page, we need to write our code in some text editor. There are various types of text editors available which you can directly download. But for the beginner, the best text editor is Notepad or TextEdit in Macintosh. I personally prefer Notepad. I really prefer Notepad. After learning the basics, you can easily use other professional editors. There are many other professional editors like Notepad++, Sublime Text, Vim, etc. In our tutorial, we will use Notepad and Sublime Text Editor. Following are some easy ways to create your first web page with Notepad and Sublime. A part, the HTML code with Notepad. That is highly recommended for the beginners. मैं अभी भी यही यूज करना प्रेफर करती हूँ. Notepad is the simple text editor and suitable for beginner to learn HTML. It is available in all versions of Windows. From where you easily access it. देखो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है सीधी सी बात है कंप्यूटर से नोटपैड ऑन करना है ठीक है ये देखो जैसे आप कंप्यूटर पे गए या नोटपैड ऑन किया देख रहे हो आप स्क्रीन पर then write the full code in that notepad. I have already said tell you in the previous video that 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये सब नहीं लिखना है सीधा doc type HTML क्या version है फिर HTML will be open then head will be open then in head title will be written that is web page then title will be closed then if nothing else is there then head is closed then starts the body. Body will contain all the data that is shown on the web page. So in this we have written create your first web page and hello world. Then step 3 save the HTML file with .html extension. अब इसको क्या करना है सेव करना है .html से ठीक है then when you will run the page then this page comes out create your first web page ठीक है then second B is HTML code with Sublime text editor recommending after learning basics of HTML. When you will learn the basics of HTML, then you can use some professional text editors which will help you to write an efficient and fast code. So to use Sublime text editor, first it needs to download and install from internet. You can easily download the first was Notepad that is available in Windows, and the second Sublime text editor you have to install from the web, and it can be easily installed. Then the first step is open Sublime text editor. To open Sublime text editor, go to Start screen, type Sublime text, open it. To open a new page, press Ctrl N. Save the page before writing code. To save your page in Sublime Text, press Ctrl plus S or go to File option, Save, to save a file use extension .html. We recommend to save the first file file first, then write the code because after saving the page, Sublime Text Editor will give you suggestions to write the code. ओके जब सबलाइन ओपन किया उसके बाद आप उसको .html से सेव कर दो उसके बाद आप कोड लिखो देखो इस तरह से कोड आएगा ओपन द html पेज इन द ब्राउजर टू एग्जीक्यूट आप ओपन विद भी कर सकते हो और डायरेक्ट भी ओपन कर सकते हो एंड दिस इज द पेज यू कैन ठीक है सी you can execute html file in any browser but there are some tags which are not supposed by the not supported by some browsers okay so in this video what you have learned that you for the beginners you can use notepad and for the when you are a professional or you want some automatic conditioning क्योंकि in notepad you have to write everything but in some text editors more and more editors have come now you can search on the web many editors you can do html coding but I preferably accept the notepad okay I hope this video is beneficial and keep in touch. We will now HTML series is on. We really hope that we can able to give you maximum of the HTML in simple words in English of course or kahin kahin if possible then in Hindi. Otherwise main language will be English. Okay. We have compiled this video on the basis of our knowledge which we get after studying and analyzing various stuff on the basis regards regarding this topic. We really hope you receive knowledge and in the end, last but not the least, please support and do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel that is Google Solutions. We will be posting more and more in the near future. Thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love, have a nice day and please be safe and please be kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you.